Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about SQL Introduction. Let's get started. SQL is structured query language. It's a standard programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It allows users to perform various operations on data stored in tables, such as retrieving, inserting, updating, and deleting records. SQL is essential for database administration and is widely used across industries to interact with databases in systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and Microsoft SQL Server. You can see on here many standards out there. For example, NC SQL, SQL 92, SQL 99. Vendors support various subsets. What's for fun discussion? SQL Data Definition Language DDL and DML Data Manipulation Language. You can see in here for DDL Data Definition Language for create, alter, delete tables and their attributes, and for data manipulation language or DML, query one or more tables. You can see on this tables in SQL, and for this name table is product, and you can see on this name it's on this row name, price, category, and manufacturer. And if you see on this table, there are 4 columns: 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you see in here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. Okay, and for name has many variable or name. You can see in this name of product and price of product, category of product, and manufacturer of products. Table name is product, and for attributes name, you can see in here attributes name, price, category, manufacturer are attributes name. And for tuples or row, there are 5 rows. Tables explained. The schema of a table is the table name and its attributes, and the name that table is product, and for the attributes of this product like name, price, category, and manufacturer. A key is an attribute whose values are unique. We underline a key. We underline a key. Okay. Data types in SQL. Atomic types, character, numbers, and other. You can see in here the number of character 20 digits, and for char variable character 50. And for number, you can see in here int, it means integer, big integer, small int, small integer, and float. For other, in here you can see money, date, time, and extra. Every attribute must have an atomic type. You can see the answer why. You can comment on below this video. Tables explained. A tuple is equal a record. Restriction. All attributes are of atomic type. A table is equal a set of tuples, like a list, but it is unordered. No first, no next, no last, no and extra. SQL query, basic form, plus many more bells and whistles. You can see on this form, general from SQL query, select, from, where, and for select you choose attributes from your table, and then you can insert your attributes of your table into this, and from you can get, or you can insert your from is from your name, your table, and where depend on you. What do you want? Maybe you can combine, you can split, you can add, and any more. Simple SQL query. If you insert asterisk in here, select asterisk, it means you select all your attributes from your table, asterisk, no specific attributes, but for all your attributes name from your table. And product, it is the name of your table, and then where, it means condition, if category is gadget. You can see on this table, product is name your table, and category you can see in here so many category on this table, and from this formula you just choose category for gadget. So you will get data like this. Select all attributes, so you insert all these attributes into this same name, price, category, and manufacturer same, and from product. Okay, correct. And you choose category is gadget, and then you can delete this. So this table just show you category for gadgets, and then you will see name, price, and manufacturer. Simple SQL query. If before you select attributes for all, but for this example just for attributes name, price, and manufacturer, you just choose name, price, and manufacturer. And for condition, price more than 100, price more than 100, incorrect, yes, correct. Okay. And then you can see the result of this code. Okay, you can see the result like this: name, correct, price, and manufacturer. And for price, just show up more than $100. Okay, correct. And for that name is single touch, multi-touch, and manufacturer from Canon and Hitachi. Notation. Select attributes name, price, and manufacturer, and for price more than $100, input schema and output schema. Name of table. Okay, these are attributes, and then you will get answer, name, price, manufacturer. Okay, detail. Okay, I will give info about your case insensitive and constant in SQL. In SQL, case and insensitive behavior refers to how the database treats uppercase and lowercase letters in text-based data. When an SQL query is case insensitive, it doesn't distinguish between uppercase and lowercase character in string comparison. If you see in this example, if you want to write select for uppercase, lowercase, and combine between upper and lower case, it doesn't have impact for your code. Case insensitive SQL means the database does not differentiate between uppercase and lowercase letters when comparing strings. The behavior is controlled by the collection setting of the database or columns. Collocation can be set to case insensitive, or case sensitive explicitly in SQL queries or during table or column creation. If you use SQL as default on the table, you can set up your collection as a default from SQL. Your string is case insensitive, but if you change your setting, you can go to collection and then you change case insensitive become case sensitive. For constant in SQL, a constant refers to a fixed value that does not change during the execution of a query or operation. Constants can be used directly in SQL queries to represent a specific unchanging value. These values can be of various data types, such as number, string, dates, or Boolean value. If you see in here string ABC and and string in here double quote, this R is constant, so this string can not be changed and the value is always constant, fixed. You can not change this value. For example, if you write in SQL, for example, select, you give this double quotes ABC, else, for example, example and semicolon. So the value of this string cannot be changed. If you want to change your regulation, if you want to change from case insensitive become case sensitive, you can use this operator like. Okay, this is the basic of from SQL. Select from where, select from, you get it from your attributes, from it is from your name table, and where it is depend on your condition. If you insert like in here, so from SQL will take your data, or SQL didn't care about, or as your SQL will care about your writing string. For example, if you write example, it doesn't same with example, because if you use this operator like, so it will change your rule from case insensitive become case sensitive. If you want to uh, make your data eliminating duplicates, you can use operator this thing. It will be different if you don't use this thing. You can see on this example, if you use this operator this thing, so you can see on this result there is no duplicate category. Gadget 1, photography 1, household 1. But if you don't use operator listing, so you will get double data. Gadget 1, 2, photography 1, okay, and household 1 is okay. But you still get duplicate of this gadget. So if you want to eliminating your category, you can use this thing, or you can insert this thing into this form. Ordering the results. Okay, I hope you understand about these selects from attributes. From, it is from your name table, and where depend on your condition. And if you see in here, you use and price more than 50, and you order by price and name. And as default from SQL, ordering is ascending. Ascending, it means you start from small until higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, and extra. But for alphabet, starting from B, C, and extra. Except if you insert DESG, DESG, or it means descending, you insert in here so starting from higher or bigger to small. I have question for you. If you can answer this question, you can comment on below. And this question like this: if I write like this, select this thing, and like this, and like this, and you get data from this table, and name of this table is product, and these are attributes. And what the answer of this? If you know the answer of this question, you can comment on below in this video. I think enough for this learning about the introduction of SQL. And if I click connect, I still have many slides, but I will give you information about this in the next time. But for today, I think enough for learning about SQL introduction. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below. Thank you so much for your watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. See you next time and goodbye.